Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a common issue, how to fix battery drain on iOS 18.2. While we can't completely eliminate the problem, I walk you through some practical steps to help improve your battery life. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Tap Location Service. If it's turned on, it might be a big reason for your battery draining quickly. You have two options. Option 1. Turn it off entirely if you don't need it. Option 2. Limit location access for specific apps. Set permission to never or while using the app, depending on your preferences. Scroll down to the System Service and disable unnecessary option, keeping only essential ones like Find My iPhone. Okay, step 2. Go back to Setting and navigate to Display and Brightness. And turn off the Always On display feature. This section can significantly drain your battery. Set auto lock to a short duration, like 40 seconds or 1 minute, to prevent your screen from staying on unnecessarily. Step 3. Head over to Settings, General, Background App Refresher. Turn it off entirely. Don't worry, apps like WhatsApp will still send notification and calls even with this feature disabled. Step 4. Use Wi-Fi whenever possible, as it consumes less battery than mobile data. Avoid keeping both with Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time. Turn off whichever one you're not using, and disable Bluetooth and AirDrop. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.